So lately I've been hearing from a lot of different people that when it comes to food, they're more texture people than flavor people. This recipe I'm about to show you is like Hannah Montana. It's the best of both worlds. We're bringing flavor and texture together into the ultimate crispy rice salad. It's got crunch, it's got flavor. It gives you plenty of creative freedom to customize it to your own tastes. And it hits all the notes that you need for dinner. We've got protein, we've got fiber, we've got healthy, we've got filling, we've got satisfying. If you wanted to turn a salad into an entire dinner, this is how you do it. I'm Alexa, and today, crispy rice salad is what's for dinner. Let's get right into it. First things first, we're gonna make the crispy rice. You can either make some fresh rice. I actually had a decent bit of rice left over. That's kind of the best use case for leftover rice that I've discovered, is turning it into crispy rice. So you're just gonna take your cooked rice, put it on a parchment lined baking sheet, and then spread it out. Now this is a different type of crispy rice than what you may be used to seeing, like spicy tuna crispy rice at restaurants. This is kind of a different thing. Instead of like a square or a cube of crispy rice together that's fried, this is spread out, and then we're gonna add some chili oil into here and bake it in the oven so that each little grain of rice itself becomes a little crunch, and that's what becomes our amazing texture piece in our salad. So you just wanna spread out your rice on a baking sheet, and then we're gonna add in some chili crunch. But you can do any version of chili oil. Basically all you need to make this is an oil and like a spice, a seasoning. You could do curry paste, you could do oil and sriracha. I'm just using chili oil because it's kind of all in one. So go in with a couple of teaspoons of chili crunch. Now if you spend any time on food talk or food Instagram reels or food YouTube shorts, you probably have seen a couple of these viral recipes floating around. They kind of started going viral in maybe late 2024, early 2025, and have kind of stayed strong ever since then. I don't know who the exact original person was. I know there's Savon's Kitchen and Fit Green Mind. Those were the first two big ones that I saw, and like going back in the archives, those are kind of the first two like big viral crispy rice recipe videos that I've seen and found. But this is not like a unique new concept. This is actually technically a Laotian dish, or a twist on a Laotian dish. There's a crispy rice salad that they make called nam khao. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that correctly, I hope I am. But nam khao is a crispy rice salad that kind of features exactly what we're gonna be doing today, which is spicy, crunchy rice, vegetables, like kind of a spicy vinaigrette, kind of all mixed together. We're gonna use kind of a variety of vegetables that are my favorites, but you can literally tweak this however you want, which is what I love about it. And I'm also going to be adding chicken to the mix. So we're gonna be marinating and cooking some chicken. That's kind of what turns this from a salad into a dinner. I'm pretty big on having a protein as a big part of my dinner. So I am turning what would be maybe like a lunch or an appetizer into a full meal, because I'm really in need of eating something healthy lately. So I'm just gonna pop this into a 400-degree oven, and we're gonna bake it for about as long as it takes to get each granule of rice to be crispy. We want it to be very crunchy. It can take like 40 minutes. That's kind of the hardest part of this recipe, is just waiting for the rice to reach its full crispy potential, but we can do hard things. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is a double whammy: salad dressing and chicken marinade. So I'm gonna make the same dressing marinade and just use it for both things. So kind of a shortcut, kind of just like a women in STEM moment. I'm starting with some ginger that I'm gonna grate in here. You could mince it if you want, but since it is gonna be a salad dressing, I don't want it too chunky. So that is what we're doing. And now I'm gonna go in with some garlic. This is just hard because I always like get really close to grating my fingers with garlic because they're so small. And I just got my nails done. It's my birthday tomorrow, so I have birthday nails. So I'm gonna be kind of careful. I'm turning 33, which is crazy town. I don't feel 33 at all. I feel maybe like 27. I was just in LA this last weekend with my very good girlfriend who is married with a baby. And I have another one of my best friends from college who's gonna be in town this weekend who also has a baby. And that's like so funny because it's so like opposite of my life. I'm 33 now and I'm nowhere close to having kids. sauce. Okay, so we're gonna do some honey, give a little bit of sweetness, but we don't need too much, honestly, because we're also doing sweet chili sauce. This stuff is so good. I didn't realize that this big of a bottle was gonna be delivered when I ordered it for a grocery delivery. But now that I have this huge bottle, I'm like, thank God. We're gonna do about a tablespoon of soy sauce. This is gonna be taking care of our salt, but I'm gonna taste it and just make sure that it's salty enough before we move forward. And then we're gonna do a tablespoon of rice vinegar. Get that out of there. And since this is a marinade and it has acid in it, we're not gonna let it marinate our chicken for too long, maybe like 30 minutes, just to get a little bit of flavor on there. We don't want it to like start breaking down the chicken and making it mealy. So this isn't the type of marinade that you need to do it overnight or do it for several hours. This is kind of like while your rice is cooking, marinate your chicken for half an hour. I'm also gonna add in a bit of this chili crunch from earlier for a bit of heat. That smells really good. Goodness gracious. That's incredible. I forgot one key ingredient of the marinade, lime juice. Oh, also, since it's literally my birthday at midnight and it's Thursday night going into Friday, I'm gonna have a little fun drink while we make our dinner. Cheers. I like things really citrusy. Definitely taste this as you go to make sure it's good for you. I'm just gonna do a little bit of olive oil just to kind of make it more like a dressing than a sauce, because it's really, really good as it is, but it's kind of giving sauce. And I don't know why I'm using such a tiny spoon to do this. So good. As Guy Fieri says, you can put that on a flip-flop. It's delicious. I do need to separate it because chicken's gonna marinate in one bowl and then the other part is gonna go on the side and that's gonna be our dressing at the end. I'm actually just cooking one portion tonight, so I'm just doing one chicken breast. I feel like every one of these episodes, I'm like, yeah, it's just for me. And then I make a huge amount. Me and my sister end up with so many leftovers, but it's fine. There are worse problems to have. So I'm gonna put the chicken in the fridge to marinate for, I don't know, 30-ish minutes, not too long. But in the meantime, we're gonna prep the rest of our vegetables. And yeah, this is gonna come together super quick. And I'm gonna wash my hands too, of course. Veggie-wise, like I said earlier, you can go literally infinite different directions, but I'm gonna go kind of like not green goddess, but very green vibes. It's spring, that feels right seasonally, so I'm doing like romaine lettuce, cucumbers, scallions, avocado. I have some frozen edamame that I'm gonna add in there as well, and then we'll have the crispy rice and the chicken, and I think that's it, and the dressing, obviously. I'm gonna try to cut the romaine lettuce nice and thin. I want all the things to be like small so that they get mixed together well, and then it's like a scooping salad. Like, that's what I'm envisioning. So let's see how that goes. So since the romaine was like a heart of romaine, it's kind of hard to wash it when it's still together. Like you can't really get into all the crannies. So I'm gonna rinse it right now that I have it all cut up. If I start getting funky by the end of the episode, you know why. So I like to peel my cucumbers. I think cucumber skin is like not my favorite thing in a salad. So I'm gonna peel these bad boys and then cut them pretty small. Let's see how my knife skills are today. All right, here we go. Cucumber knife skills, let's go. Not my best, not my worst. Honestly, this bowl of cucumbers looks delicious. Okay, scallions, my favorite knife skill. I don't feel that locked in today, but let's see how we do. Okay, I'm crushing this right now. I underestimated myself. Kind of crushed that. All right, everybody, big news. The crispy rice is ready. I'm gonna let it cool for a skosh because we don't want scalding hot rice in our salad. Okay, time to cook our chicken that's been marinating for the last half hour. I'm gonna add a little bit of oil to a pan. And since there's like soy sauce and sweet chili in here, it might kind of smoke up a bit. So if you live in a small apartment like me, let's be careful. Let's hope this doesn't go too smoky. Not bad at all. Okay, I'm covering it a little bit just because I don't want to get splattered in the face with chicken juice right now. Not really in the mood for that at all. Some really nice caramelization on the chicken over here, which I am loving. I think we can flip her now. Yeah. Oh, that looks perfect. Look at her go. Yeah, so you can see, very crunchy. And we've got these little like clusters, almost like a granola cluster, except it's rice. Ooh, I could do this all day. It's like nutty, super crunchy, a little bit spicy. Tastes a little bit like popcorn in a way. And the last thing I wanted to do is cut up an avocado. I'm doing this at the end because avocados will turn brown kind of quickly. Ooh, what a good omen. It's beautiful. My chicken is still cooking over here. We'll check on her in a moment. Cut up, I want little cubes. Let's be very careful of our hands. Here we go, avocado cubes. A bit of lime juice on them so they don't get brown while we're here assembling. These limes are not cooperating with me today. Check back on our chicken. Looking real good over here. I'm gonna get a temperature meat thermometer to see what the actual temp is inside. I think I'm gonna butterfly it in the pan. Going rogue over here. Okay, I'm gonna finish this shit up and then we can kiki. Okay, we have our nice, beautiful caramelized chicken, which was marinated in that. Damn it, that drink's kicking in. Now this is gonna be so hard. I'm feeling that THC beverage. Oh no. This is gonna be so hard to talk. The wheels have come off. Buttercup is in this bag. I got you something. Hi, princess. You wanna stay in there? I am going to put the ingredients together in here, and then we're gonna pour the crispy rice on and add the chicken last and avocado last and mix that in gently. This was a bad idea. Okay, now I'm adding in the cucumber. Now I'm going in with some edamame. They were frozen and I just heated them up on the stove and then added a little bit of salt. Now it's time for the main event. We're gonna pour in the crispy rice. And here she is, glorious. Pretty good stuff. Now I am going to add in the dressing. I'm so excited. This whole thing. I think that's I don't know why I'm using everything but a fork. All right, now I'm just gonna cut my chicken up into small cubes. I let the chicken rest for about 10 minutes before cutting into it. Now I'm adding in my avocado and my chicken. This is a dinner salad. Just a light little mix of the chicken and avocado. We don't want these to get like too squishy. I don't want the avocado to like get all squished. My last 2 brain cells are with Buttercup in that bag right now. And there we have it. Crispy rice salad. Everybody's worried about you. Why were you in that bag? Why? I love her so much. Time to take a bite of everything together. So this is a big ass salad. I said I was cooking for 1 person. This is definitely not for 1 person. This is for 2. Me and Seema are going to enjoy this salad. We need to eat a lot of vegetables, I think. We have a big weekend coming up. Oh my God. This is so good. It hits so many different notes. We've got really crunchy rice, which is just like so satisfying to the tooth. And we've got lettuce, which is nice and crisp. We've got cucumber, which is crisp, but in a different way. Then we've got creamy avocado, we've got tender chicken, and then the dressing and the marinade are both delish. Thank you so much for watching. We're gonna be releasing brand new recipe videos every 2 weeks. Let me know what you thought of this dinner, especially if you make it. We will see you at the next one.